Hey, in this video I'll show you a few ways to actually create an Apple ID without a phone number. It's not, first of all, hit the like button, really helps out. I'll show you multiple ways as I said, but I just want to say that it's not recommended to do that because it's not as safe. But here we are, your Apple ID, how you can create it without a phone number. So the first thing you can do is when you're signing up for an Apple ID, you can actually click on get verification code multiple times, switch on and off your internet, and sometimes it will let you create one. Just skip this step. The second thing you can do is actually use a temporary phone number. I've wrote this in Google, temporary phone number. There's many options. You can get one for 50 euro cents per SMS. There's like so many options. Look at this. So you just use the code to verify, and that's it. And the next thing you can do, and what a lot of people are using is Apple Music. So if you go on Apple Music and you don't have an Apple account logged in, I have one. But if you don't, you can create an account there. And sometimes for some countries, it doesn't want you to get a phone number, which is really cool. If you still have the issue, comment down below. We'll try to help you out. If I did help you out, give me a like, and want to see you in